I love this watch band, but it keeps fading, so it's time. I decided to treat myself to this, and it's meant to look like sort of a Cartier-inspired watch band and then a matching case. So excited to do this. Let's go switch it out. The world's cutest box cutter. My phone just went off. I live in Louisiana. Shockingly, it's gonna be hot today. Who could have called that? Everyone in America. Look at it. Okay, let me chill. Y'all, I've had too much coffee and not enough food. I keep doing this to myself where I end up filming without eating and then my hands are like shaking. I really need to get a grip. Oh my, guys, look. Oh. That feels nice. Guys, this does not feel cheap at all. Oh, look at it. I'm so excited. Remember this being a genuine pain in the you-know-what last time? Oh, okay. So you just press the little button in back there. Pull off little homie. Don't make a fool of me, sir. Come on, come out of there. Don't you dare ruin my manicure. Manhandling this poor thing. Okay, this watch and I just went to war. Come out. Ugh. Now, I just gotta get this little guy. Make sure this is gonna fit. Oh. You're watching this video and you're thinking, this girl's not bad. I could maybe be friends with this girl. But I wanted to ask you to just hit the subscribe button because it really helps to get this video out by clicking the subscribe button. Now let's get back to the video. All right, adios, buddy. This watch face for all different kinds. I know that they do because I saw it. You're gonna find the side that has like the little wheel, find the wheel, top it. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Okay. And then I might have to remove a link here, but we'll see in a second. Oh, okay. So you can just kind of open any one that you want. Do is take this bottom piece, slide him in there, this piece. Oh, y'all, I'm getting so excited. Oh my God, look at that. Then you're literally just gonna go like that and snap that into place. But I'm gonna need to remove like at least one or two of these links because when I was getting assembled in heaven, God was like, oh, we have these tiny little clearance wrists, give those to her. How easy this is, y'all? Y'all, that was so easy. Do you see that? Look, I'm trying to show you up close what it looks like. And then only down here do you have the little links. This is what the watch face looks like. So beautiful. Oh yeah, and I also wanted to mention, because I only film a video over here once a week, but over on my TikTok page, I kind of post there way more regularly, like little clips of stuff, things that I'm finding throughout the week. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.